Burning belly fat at home is absolutely possible when you understand how the body responds to your daily habits. The truth is, no single magic trick will melt fat overnight. It's a combination of consistent effort, smart nutrition, and effective movement. The first step is building a routine and sticking to it because consistency is the key that unlocks real results. Many people start strong but give up too soon, forgetting that fat loss is a gradual process. Your body needs time to adjust and burn stored fat, so discipline is your biggest ally. Next comes nutrition, which plays an even bigger role than exercise. You can't out-train a bad diet. Focus on balanced meals rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats while reducing refined carbs and sugary snacks. When you create a slight calorie deficit without starving yourself, your body starts using stored fat for energy, including that stubborn belly area. Even small changes like portion control and mindful eating can make a huge difference in the long run. Exercise is the next pillar. You don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership to see results. High-intensity bodyweight exercises such as squats, push-ups, burpees, and mountain climbers done in short intervals can ignite your metabolism and burn calories long after you finish working out. Just 15 to 20 minutes a day of focused movement can have a massive impact when paired with a good diet. Hydration is another underrated factor. Drinking enough water keeps your metabolism active and helps control hunger. Adding natural fat-burning drinks like green tea can also boost your efforts because of its antioxidant properties. These small yet powerful choices work silently in your favor over time. Don't overlook the role of sleep and stress control. Poor sleep increases hunger hormones and slows metabolism, making fat loss harder. Stress does the same by raising cortisol, which is linked to belly fat storage. Aiming for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep and practicing relaxation techniques can significantly improve your results. The plank is one of the most effective exercises for burning belly fat at home because it engages multiple muscle groups at the same time. Unlike traditional crunches, which focus only on the abdominal area, the plank works on your entire core, including the abs, lower back, hips, and even shoulders. This full engagement helps in building strength and stability while boosting your metabolism, which is essential for fat loss. When you hold your body in a straight line, balancing on your forearms and toes, your muscles are constantly working to keep that alignment. This creates tension and activates your core deeply, which is key for reducing fat around the midsection over time. What makes the plank even more effective is its simplicity and versatility. You don't need any special equipment or a large space to perform it, which means you can do it anywhere, anytime. By holding the plank position, you're not only burning calories but also improving posture and building endurance. Many people underestimate the power of static exercises, but maintaining this position for even 30 seconds can feel challenging at first because your muscles are working hard. As you progress, increasing the time or adding variations like side planks or plank with leg lifts can further intensify the workout and target different angles of your core. Another reason the plank is great for burning belly fat is that it improves overall body control and stability. A strong core supports better movement during all other exercises and daily activities, reducing the risk of injuries. This is why fitness experts often recommend including planks in your regular routine. While doing the plank, it's important to keep your body straight, engage your core muscles, and avoid letting your hips drop, as poor form can reduce the effectiveness and lead to discomfort. When practiced regularly with proper technique, planks help build lean muscle, which in turn increases your resting metabolic rate. A higher metabolism means your body burns more calories throughout the day, contributing to fat loss, including that stubborn belly fat. Over time, this simple yet powerful exercise can transform your midsection, giving you a stronger, tighter, and more toned core while supporting your overall fitness goals. Bicycle crunches are one of the most powerful and effective exercises for targeting belly fat because they combine core engagement with dynamic movement. Unlike standard crunches, bicycle crunches work on both the upper and lower abdominal muscles at the same time while also activating the obliques, which are the muscles on the sides of your waist. This makes them a complete core workout that not only strengthens your abs, but also tones the entire midsection. The motion of bringing your elbow toward the opposite knee creates a twisting movement that really fires up the obliques, helping to sculpt a slimmer and more defined waistline over time. What makes bicycle crunches even more beneficial for burning belly fat is the fact that they elevate your heart rate, especially when performed at a controlled yet challenging pace. This means you are not just building muscle, but also burning calories, which is essential for fat loss. Since spot reduction is not possible, creating a calorie deficit through exercises that combine muscle engagement and calorie burn is key, and bicycle crunches do exactly that. They provide a blend of strength training and cardiovascular benefits without requiring any special equipment, making them perfect for home workouts. The exercise itself might look simple, but when done correctly, it delivers excellent results. To get the most out of it, you should lie on your back, lift your legs, and move them in a pedaling motion as if riding a bicycle, while simultaneously twisting your torso to bring the opposite elbow toward the knee. The key is maintaining control and not rushing through the movement. Quality is more important than speed because proper form ensures that your core muscles are fully engaged and prevents strain on the neck or lower back. Beginners can start slow and focus on accuracy, then gradually increase speed and repetitions as their strength improves. Another great thing about bicycle crunches is how they challenge your coordination and balance. This adds an extra layer of intensity to the workout, which in turn boosts calorie burn and strengthens stabilizing muscles. When practiced consistently as part of a balanced routine that includes healthy eating and other exercises, bicycle crunches can significantly reduce belly fat, build core strength, and improve overall endurance. Over time, this exercise helps in creating a toned midsection, better posture, and stronger core muscles that support your everyday movements. It's a simple, accessible, and highly effective move that can deliver impressive results without the need for any equipment or a gym. Mountain climbers are an excellent full-body exercise that targets belly fat while also improving cardiovascular fitness, strength, and endurance. This dynamic movement works your core muscles intensely because you need to stabilize your body in a plank-like position while driving your knees toward your chest in a running motion. This constant engagement of the abdominal muscles helps in strengthening and toning your midsection, which is essential for reducing belly fat over time. Unlike static exercises, mountain climbers combine strength training with a cardio element, making them highly effective for burning calories and boosting metabolism. This dual benefit means you not only build muscle, but also create the energy deficit needed for fat loss. One of the biggest advantages of mountain climbers is their ability to elevate your heart rate quickly, almost like a sprint in place, which helps improve cardiovascular health while also accelerating fat burning. Since belly fat can be stubborn, incorporating high-intensity movements like this into your routine is a smart way to maximize results in a short amount of time. You don't need any equipment or large space to perform this exercise, which makes it perfect for home workouts. All you need is a flat surface where you can position yourself in a plank stance, supporting your body on your hands and toes, and then alternate bringing your knees toward your chest as fast as you can maintain good form. Proper technique is crucial for effectiveness and safety. Keep your back straight, your core engaged, and avoid letting your hips sag or rise too high. The idea is to maintain a strong plank position while moving your legs quickly and smoothly. Beginners can start at a slower pace and gradually increase speed as they build strength and stamina. For those looking to intensify the workout, adding variations like cross-body mountain climbers or incorporating them into a circuit routine can increase the challenge and target different muscle groups. What makes mountain climbers particularly beneficial for burning belly fat is that they work multiple muscles at once. Besides the core, they also engage the shoulders, arms, chest, and legs, making it a compound movement that burns more calories compared to isolated exercises. Over time, this contributes to overall fat loss, including in the abdominal area. When combined with a healthy, balanced diet and other effective exercises, mountain climbers can help you achieve a leaner, stronger, and more defined core. They also improve agility and endurance, which benefits overall fitness. By practicing mountain climbers regularly and focusing on proper form, You can transform your workout routine into a fat, burning powerhouse right from the comfort of your home. Russian twists are one of the most effective exercises for targeting the oblique muscles and strengthening the entire core, making them an excellent choice for reducing belly fat at home. This movement not only tones the abdominal muscles, but also engages the lower back and hips, which contributes to a balanced and strong midsection. The twisting motion of the exercise works on the side muscles of your abdomen, helping to define your waistline and improve overall core stability. Unlike traditional crunches that primarily focus on the front abdominal muscles, Russian twists provide a rotational challenge, which is crucial for building functional strength and enhancing mobility in the torso. The beauty of Russian twists lies in their simplicity and flexibility. You can perform them without any equipment or make them more challenging by holding a weight, a water bottle, or even a medicine ball. To perform this exercise correctly, you start by sitting on the floor with your knees bent and feet slightly lifted off the ground. Lean back slightly while keeping your spine straight, engage your core, and then rotate your torso from side to side in a controlled motion, touching the floor on each side. This constant twisting motion not only works your core muscles, but also increases your heart rate when done continuously, which means more calories burned during the workout. One of the reasons Russian twists are so effective for burning belly fat is because they combine strength and endurance in a single movement. The longer you maintain proper form and keep twisting, the more your core muscles work and the higher the calorie expenditure. This is particularly beneficial for targeting stubborn fat around the waist and love handles, which can be difficult to reduce through regular crunches alone. Additionally, Russian twists improve balance and coordination as you need to maintain stability while performing the twists without letting your feet touch the ground. For beginners, it's important to start slow and focus on perfecting the form before increasing speed or adding weights. Keeping your back straight and engaging your core throughout the exercise is essential to prevent strain on the lower back. Advanced variations like doing the twist with extended legs or incorporating resistance can further intensify the workout and deliver faster results. When combined with a calorie-controlled diet and other fat-burning exercises, Russian twists can significantly help in toning the midsection and improving overall fitness. They are easy to include in home workout routines because they require minimal space and no special equipment. Over time, consistent practice of Russian twists helps strengthen the core, enhance stability, and contribute to a leaner, more defined waistline. This simple yet powerful exercise proves that you don't need complex machines to get an effective workout and achieve your fitness goals from the comfort of your home. Burpees are one of the most effective full-body exercises for burning calories and targeting stubborn belly fat because they combine strength training with high-intensity cardio in a single movement. This makes them perfect for people who want maximum results in minimal time. The exercise works almost every major muscle group, including the chest, arms, shoulders, legs, and especially the core, which is why it's considered a powerhouse move for fat loss and overall conditioning. Performing burpees increases your heart rate significantly, turning your body into a fat-burning machine during and even after the workout due to the afterburn effect, also known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption (EPO). The structure of the burpee makes it an incredibly dynamic exercise. It begins in a standing position, then moves to a squat, followed by a plank, a push-up, and a jump back to standing, all in one continuous flow. Each step engages multiple muscle groups, ensuring that your body works hard and burns a high number of calories in a short amount of time. Because it combines strength and cardio, burpees are ideal for those who want to reduce belly fat while building lean muscle. This dual benefit helps boost metabolism and supports overall fat loss, including the abdominal area. One of the main reasons burpees are so effective for belly fat is the intensity they create. Unlike isolated movements that only work a single muscle group, burpees demand full body coordination, power, and endurance, making them one of the best high-intensity interval training HIIT exercises. Even a few sets can leave you breathless and sweating, which indicates that your body is working hard and burning a significant amount of energy. Over time, This high energy expenditure contributes to fat loss and improved cardiovascular health. Performing burpees correctly is important to maximize results and avoid injury. Begin in a standing position, then squat down and place your hands on the floor. Kick your feet back into a plank position, perform a push-up if you can, then quickly return your feet to the squat position and jump explosively into the air with your arms extended overhead. Land softly and immediately go into the next repetition. The key is maintaining proper form and keeping the movements controlled, especially during the transition from plank to squat to jump. Beginners can modify the exercise by skipping the push up or slowing down the pace, while advanced individuals can add extra elements like a tuck jump or using light weights for more intensity. Burpees don't require any equipment, making them an excellent choice for home workouts. They also improve endurance, agility, coordination, and explosive power, which benefits overall fitness and athletic performance. When paired with a balanced diet and other core, focused exercises, burpees can significantly accelerate fat loss and help create a strong, toned midsection. Consistency is key. Performing burpees regularly as part of a structured routine will not only help you burn belly fat, but also enhance your stamina, strength, and confidence over time. Burning belly fat at home doesn't require expensive equipment or complicated routines. It requires consistency, smart choices, and determination. The exercises we discussed, such as planks, bicycle crunches, mountain climbers, Russian twists, and burpees, are simple yet highly effective when performed regularly with proper form. These movements engage multiple muscle groups, improve core strength, and boost metabolism, all of which contribute to fat loss and better overall fitness. However, it's important to remember that no exercise alone can work without a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Staying hydrated, eating nutritious foods, getting enough sleep, and managing stress are equally important for achieving long-lasting results. Instead of looking for quick fixes, focus on building sustainable habits and gradually increasing your activity level. Over time, these small, consistent steps lead to big changes, helping you reduce belly fat and feel stronger, healthier, and more confident right from the comfort of your home.